Imagine a harvest season with your farm machinery breaking down unexpectedly. What would be the implications? When the gears of farming operations grind to a halt, the ripple effects are felt far and wide. Picture this. The crops are ready, the sun is shining, but your combine harvester is silent, unresponsive. The golden grains stand unpicked. As each day passes, the risk of crop loss increases, teetering on the edge of a disastrous season. But it's not just about the crops. The costs stack up too. Repairing or replacing machinery isn't just an expense, it's a time-consuming process that adds stress to an already busy farming schedule. And the strain doesn't stop there. The farmer, the heart of this operation, bears the brunt of this stress. With livelihoods on the line, the pressure mounts. Clearly, unexpected downtime can have severe consequences for farmers. But what if there was a way to predict these breakdowns? Enter AI and predictive maintenance. Picture this, a farm in rural India has been using AI and predictive maintenance for their machinery. Let's explore how it works. Imagine a bustling farm where the sun shines down on healthy crops and robust machinery. In this picture, the real hero isn't visible to the naked eye, it's artificial intelligence. By integrating AI into their operations, this farm has taken a bold step into the future. Each piece of machinery on the farm is embedded with sensors that constantly generate data. From the tractor's engine temperature to the humidity levels in the storage silo, every piece of information is crucial. This data, seemingly insignificant on its own, is collected and processed using AI algorithms. These algorithms analyze the data patterns to understand the normal functioning of the machinery. But the magic of AI doesn't stop there. It further uses this understanding to predict potential breakdowns. For instance, if a certain pattern indicates that a tractor's engine is likely to overheat after a specific duration, the AI will flag it. This warning gives the farmer a heads up about the impending issue,